In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from PlayStation 4 GTA to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna solve all of your doubts regarding how you can transfer any amount of money that you might have made on the PlayStation 4 version of GTA 5 or GTA Online to your PlayStation 5 version. So, unfortunately, as of today, there's no direct way to transfer your money from the PlayStation 4 profile of GTA Online that you have to the PlayStation 5 GTA Online profile. The in-game currency is not directly linked between the console versions. However, don't worry, because when you migrate your GTA Online character and progress from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5, you will keep all of your earned money. So all that you have to do is do the migration process. Besides the migration itself, it's completely impossible, so keep that in mind. If you have already performed the migration and you are just simply curious if it is possible to do additional transfers of money, vehicles, weapons, properties, and level progress, it is not. The only option that you have is to do the migration, and once that is done, it's the only opportunity that you have to transfer the money from PlayStation 4 GTA to PlayStation 5. So to actually do the migration, just make sure that both your PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 GTA Online characters are linked to the same Rockstar Social Club account. You can check so on the website at socialclub.rockstargames.com, and after this is done, just go over and upload your GTA Online character's save data to the Rockstar Social Club. Now boot up GTA Online on your PlayStation 5, and during the initial launch, as long as you are using the same Rockstar Games account, you will be immediately prompted to migrate your character. All that you have to do is confirm the character and start the migration process. You can also find this menu when you pause the game and you go over to the settings. Once you do this migration, all of the progress, including the money of your PlayStation 4 character, will be transferred over. It's super simple, and like I said, this is the only proper way to do it. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from PlayStation 4 GTA to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.